Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and today we have a loofah. I made a video about the loofah before, but a lot of people want to see the action of me actually peeling the loofah. So the first step with the loofah that I like to do is I like to kind of just bang it around and just kind of shake it up so we can get the, our end cap off already. So once this end cap comes off, the seeds are gonna come out. Usually I like to try to shake it around to try to get these seeds to all pop out, because the seeds come out easier when it's still unpeeled. So we're gonna move those seeds aside. You'd be amazed how many seeds there are. Like, we're not even halfway through the seeds that are gonna come out of this thing. But I'm gonna do this whole thing in real time so you can see how I peel these. Now you can soak them in water and it's supposed to make peeling it easier. Now it's not really making a lot of noise, but there's still a ton of seeds in here. So we're gonna go ahead and start peeling this thing. And basically, these are the loofahs that you use in the shower. This is what you use. It comes from a plant. It's not something that comes from the ocean. I know a lot of people think it comes from the ocean, but it does not come from the ocean. So it's also got these strips in it. When these loofahs are really young, at the early stage, you can't eat them. I've never tried them. I believe that they are a gourd, or they're in the cucumber family. I don't like gourds or cucumbers, so I have no desire to eat them when they're young, but they are edible when they are young. So this is what it looks like. And this is the same thing that you buy in the store to take a shower with. And they grow super easy from seeds. I got 3 seeds that were sent to me by a TikToker named Deshawn's Kitchen. And I appreciate it. He sent me these seeds in the winter. I put them in a pot. I grew them. And all 3 germinated. And then I put them in my raised bed when it got warm. And they did well. These are growable all the way down to zone 7, I believe. And right now at my website, permaculturelife.com, we are giving away free loofah seeds with any purchase over $20. So if you guys want seeds, you can get them at permaculturelife.com. I know they're not easy to find. I had a hard time finding them. I was very grateful that I received 3, but I'm gonna send you guys like 6 seeds if you want seeds. And all you gotta do is make a purchase at permaculturelife.com. We've got sustainably sourced gear. We've got the shirts that are made from 100% from recycled materials. This shirt that I'm wearing was made from 16 water bottles. Let's see if we can get this done here in the amount of time that we have. And then when I'm done with this, all I'm gonna do is put this in either some vinegar or some bleach, and that's gonna sort of make it a little more resistant to fungal infections or fungal, fungal growth. So it'll last you longer, and it'll also brighten this up a little bit. But that's a loofah. There we go, we did it. All right, see you guys, bye.